Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a tag in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to log in into your GitHub. And after that, we will be needing to go to the repository where you want to create a tag in. And so basically, we need just to go to the profile and then go to repositories, and we can find it here, your repositories. Then we will be needing just to go to the repository where we want to create a tag. So from here, we will find the branches and the tags. And all we need to do is just to click on the tags, and we will be able to start creating new release. And as you can see, you can create release to package software along with release notes and links to binary files, etc. So now we can simply go and create a new release. You can just give it a title, do like a version or whatever. And basically from here you can start creating new tags. And basically here we can find release tags, and of course each release you will need to have the release so you can create tags. And here I'm just going to click on a tag, or you can create new one. So let's just new tag, and basically I'm just going to click a new one, and basically we can just have our release. You can do whatever, and then you can publish the release on there. And basically all we need to do is just to have some uh, valid tags, and as you can see now we have a tag to our release, and we can simply go again and publish release, and now we can have our version and release. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.